What's going on, guys? Welcome back to MSTV. Here's a build of the RX-178 Gundam Mark-II AEUG prototype mobile suit from the popular anime series Mobile Suit Zeta Gundam. As we are wrapping up this build of the Gundam Mark-II, first off, I would like to thank all of you for your continued support to this channel. Without all of you, this would not be possible. So for this build of the Gundam Mark-II, I truly love the design of this mobile suit. It's like a mixture of the new and the old features of the old granddaddy Gundam, the RX-78-2. I'm a big fan of the design. Build-wise, you'll be surprised on how well this kit was designed by those good folks from Bandai. I mean, look at those leg armor, how it moves, and its flexibility. It's somewhat a balance between the form factor and function. A big plus as well is the frame details of this kit. Come to think of it, I have something in the back of my mind to build the Titan's version of this kit with an open hatch, full frame detailing, and floating in a base. Let's see in the future, so stay tuned to this channel. Maybe we'll build that one in the future. So even though this kit is not that old, if I remember right, this was released back in September of 2014, this kit could still go toe to toe with the newer ones out there. For those looking to grab this kit, it is a must to add to your collection. Even if you don't paint or customize your kits, just a straight build of this one would be fantastic add-on to your GUNPLA collection. I also forgot to mention that this kit also comes with a small base. You could position your Mark II with those hanger mechanics. That base also connects with the catapult launch base for the Zeta Gundam 2.0. From my end, I'm planning to grab the Zeta Gundam as well. Let's see if the budget permits. I've said earlier, we're wrapping up this build. Again, thank you so much for your support. Please don't forget to like and share this video so we can invite more folks to our small community. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to be updated on future MSTV builds. Like I said before, in building your GUNPLA, relax, take your time, and enjoy the process. This is your friendly neighborhood GUNPLA builder, VanGrim, and I'll see you on the next MSTV. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and click on the bell button to receive notifications on the new MSTV episodes. Once again, I'll see you on the next MSTV.